Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 193. The idiom today is to go to pot. Okay, let's take a look at the note. If something goes to pot, something deteriorates or gets worse because nobody is taking care of it or giving it enough attention or giving it enough maintenance. This is what we mean. We allow it to get worse and worse. We let it go to pot. Okay, let's continue. This is what they say from when I did research. They say the origin of this phrase comes from cutting up things separately that are going into a pot to be cooked. Basically, one had to ruin or disintegrate them to prepare for cooking. So you probably either cut them up or you mash them up. So that's what the idea was. It's going into the pot to be cooked in order to mix into probably a soup or a broth or something like that. So we said something was going to pot in that way. All right, let's continue. Let's look at the examples. Example number one. That actor used to be so handsome. What happened to him? He really let his looks go to pot. Yeah, we hear this a lot. Maybe there's an actor or an actress, you didn't see them for about 10 years or so. And suddenly you see a photo of them and they look a lot older. Maybe they're a lot fatter, grayer, maybe there's a lot more stress on their face or something. Anyway, they don't look anything like you remember them to look. They let their looks or they let their appearance go to pot. That's the way we would usually say it. Okay, number two. About 10 years ago, that zoo was new and beautiful, but they have not kept up any maintenance. And the city has allowed it to go to pot. Yeah, so you could say this about any sort of building or structure or anything where they're not giving it enough care, they're not giving enough maintenance, and it just gets worse and worse shape. Then we say it has gone to pot. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.